Welcome back, you guys. Welcome to episode 47 of Subway Surfers. Season over. We're in Iceland. Nice. I'll clean these coins. There you go. 2 keys. Polar bundle? No. Oh. You are a gold surfer. So many awards. Nice. Ooh, something new. Ooh, I'm gonna get the shark outfit for great. And Dick will be who I'll play as today. No. I'm gonna start this run. Wow, an icy tunnel. Nice. I mean, ice is nice. Indeed. Ooh, and these must be the season tokens. They look pretty and blue. Okay. S. Subway. I'm spelling Subway. Even though we're in a new land. Iceland. I mean, does Iceland actually have any subways? Oh, and we're playing with Jake again, so we're doing another one of Jake's word hunts. Here's the U part of Subway. It's snowing up. Key. I'm saving myself using a key. B. So now that's sub done. Next up, way. Here's another token. Oh, and I think I'll use a hoverboard too. Oh, yes. And there's also tunnels with lava. Got a W. I'll go back to that way. I was using a hoverboard. Okay, there we go again. I just need to find the line now. But I thought if I take damage with a hoverboard, I keep on running. Okay, there we go. And we completed the word hunt. Now that is actually what I was expecting to see happen. Here we are in the icy tunnel again, and now it's snowing again. Magnet! And this is actually crazy because it's July, still the middle of July, and sometimes I would prefer celebrating Christmas in July. Since 4th of July is already over. But this would actually be a great early Christmas theme, as if this was Christmas in July. Another magnet. It's snowing again. And here's another magnet. And another pogo stick. How about this? Another magnet. And the season hunt is completed. Another magnet. Another coin meter reward. Grabbing shoes. Okay. Yep. No. I was not expecting that to happen. What am I supposed to be doing here? Ow. I don't understand this in a while. But I was expecting that I was going to be done. There we go. Got some event coins. 900 coins. Let's claim the reward. And we get 2,000 coins. This is so amazing. Okay. Now, now what I was gonna say really quick, I was gonna do something real quick. Free daily gift of the day. And what? Don't forget to spend your event coins. I know you could do that. I mean, how can you spend event coins? I don't have enough for him. Just the coin meter reward things. Okay, I guess that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more. Bye!